To ensure that your salt system is functioning at its best, it's essential to clean the salt cell twice a year, in mid-season and at the end of the season when the pool is closed. Be aware that the products used for this type of cleaning are very strong and acid-based, so protect yourself with gloves and glasses before opening the bottles. Also, do the cleaning on a surface that you won't fear damaging or leave the cell in a bucket during soaking. To do the cleaning, close the motor and valves that provide access to the water to the cell and remove the cell from the water line by unscrewing it. Then attach it to a soaking stand, which will allow you to hold the cell upright. Before cleaning, rinse the salt cell using a garden hose with a very low flow to remove larger debris. You can then pour the product directly inside the cell and let it soak for about 30 minutes. When the soaking time is over, you can put the product back in the bottle as it can be reused for the next time. Rinse the cell, reinstall it directly on the water line. It doesn't matter which way you install it. Then open the valves and restart the motor. If you forget to clean the cell, you may see a flashing light on your control panel that says Inspect Cell. If all the other lights on the control panel are green, this is simply a reminder, not a diagnostic. It will flash every 500 hours of use. Once the cleaning is done, hold the button down. The hour meter will automatically reset.